Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date 24/9/2020. Now see children, we are doing block 8, conserving fuel. Okay, now see what is our topic today? S3, importance of fuel conservation. Conserve means what? To save. Okay, now see, importance of fuel on the impact of fuel on the environment. What will happen? Fuel means what? You all know, petrol, gas, diesel and all. This all comes under petrol. Sorry. This all comes under fuel children. What will happen when you use this more? What are the effects? What effects will fall in our environment? See here. Harmful gas is produced when you use more fuel. See. Disturb natural habitats. Spoil our land. How it will spoil our land? You are digging and drilling and taking the petrol out. These all are the points that when you are using more fuel, you are spoiling the environment. Conserve means how to save it. Okay. Now let us read from your reader now. So now children, keep your fingers where I am reading. Impact of using fuel. Okay, you know we have completed this one? Yes. No? How petroleum is drilled. Now today, turn to page number 54. See, impact of using fuel. What will happen when you use fuel? Okay. See, fossil, keep your fingers where I am reading. Fossil fuel have many uses. We depend on fuel in our daily lives for many things. As result, we are mining them at a great speed. However, fossil fuel are non-renewable, which means that one day they will get over. We cannot make fossil fuel easily. Okay, besides getting over, fossil fuel increase air and water pollution and affects the environment in many ways. Fuel uses, importance of fuel. Wood, coal, natural gas and petroleum. See what will happen to them. Wood used as fuel for heating and cooking. Using wood means cutting down trees. Trees are important for people and animals in many ways. Coal, burn to make electricity, use as fuel for cooking and heating. Mining of coal spoils the land and affects plants and animal habitat. Burning of coal produces smoke which is harmful for us. Natural gas, used for cooking, heating, cooling and lighting. Cooling means what? ACs you'll use, no? Yes. Next, the burning of natural gas produces poisonous gas which cause air pollution. Next, petroleum. Many artificial fuels such as petrol, propane, diesel and kerosene are made from petroleum. These all are made from petrol itself. C. Use as fuel in car, aeroplane, ships, trucks and big vehicles. What will happen due to this? C. Locating, processing, transportation and using petroleum can Yes children, I am reading again. Locating, processing, transportation and using petroleum can cause problem for our environment by increasing air and water pollution. Exploring and drilling petroleum may disturb land and ocean habitats. If oil is split into river or ocean, it can harm aquatic creatures. Petroleum products burn to produce dioxide, which is linked to global warming. Okay, see next page now. Page number 55. Next, conserving fuel. It is important to conserve fuel. If we conserve fuel, we can have fossil fuel available to us for a very long time. Conserving fuel also help save money and energy bills and helps keep the environment clean. Ways to conserve natural fuel. How can you conserve natural fuel? See here the picture. See, we can conserve fuel by using renewable energy source such as sunlight, water, wind and biomass. Renewable energy sources can be used for making electricity, hot water and motor fuels. Governments are working hard to obtain fuels from renewable sources to meet the increasing energy need by people. See here, energy from water. You can conserve energy from, you can produce energy from water. Next, what can we do to conserve natural fuel? Use cars that use biofuel. Use public transport, for example, bus, train. Reduce the use of plastic because fossil fuel are used for making plastic. Turn off lights when not in use to save energy or electricity. Turn off the car engine while waiting at a traffic signal. Yellow color one. The top 5 petroleum producing countries of the world are Saudi Arabia, Russia, the United States of America, Iran and China. Did you know? Yes? Now children, let us do our workbook now. Children, write today's date in your workbook 24-9-2020. Important of fuel conservation. See, fill the word web with the use of fossil fuel. How will you write this now? Uses of fossil fuel. How will you use the fuel? See children, fill in the word web with the use of fossil fuel. Write like this: car, engine, water, electricity, making plastic and public transport. Children, this is cars. Yes. Okay. Now next question children. Explain the needs to conserve natural fuel. Children, see beta. Explain the needs to conserve natural fuel. This answer is in your reader. Page number 55. See, ways to conserve natural fuel. You can write this full point wise. Okay? Where you write this answer? In your workbook. This is your workbook answer. Second answer. Okay, these are the ways to conserve natural fuel. Write this answer. Okay? Next one. See children, now next one, third one. This is your own answer. This you should write homework beta. Why? See, keep your fingers where I am writing. You wake up in the middle of the night feeling very hot, hoping that the electricity will be back in some time. You try to sleep. Even after 2 days, there is no electricity and no water. Everyone is shocked to know that there are no more fossil fuel available for use. Suggest some other fuels that can be used in this situation. Also give reason for each of your suggestion. This answer is in your reader, page number 55. Where is this answer? See, page number 55 in your reader. This answer, it is your homework. You should write this. Okay, now see children. S4. Write today's date. Conserving fuel. Now this you should Only tick children, yes or no. Okay, now see here. Tick the option column on the poster. Color and design of the poster is good. If you feel it is good, tick this. If you think it is normal, then this. If you think not, it is not normal, it is not good, not correct, tick this one. Any one box you can tick. See, the message is easy to understand. Again, any one box. It has no grammatical mistake. Next, on working in the group. Now we are not in school, so we are not working in groups. Now see, you think and tick it. It was able to give ideas to my group. I was able to give ideas to my group. Tick any one column. I listened to other group members' ideas and suggestions. Tick any one. Our group made good decisions. Tick any one. With this, I have completed our S4. Okay. Thank you, children.